Oh, hey Doom Bro, I just found this cool little upgrade for you. Here you go. Oh, fuck!
The Preator Token was printed on my artillery Sidewinder X1. It's got a nice build size which really helped in printing this. The file was from Lecter on my mini factory. I then used some cheap filler primer to help fill in the layer lines. I then hit it with a second coat. Next I hit it with some black gloss. This will really help give my silver in the next stage a nice finish. Now I'm applying some rubber buff. This stuff is really amazing. I've actually used it in quite a lot of projects. It's really good for highlighting and just metallic finishes. I highly recommend picking some up. It's also quite affordable as well. Now I'm just rubbing in as much as I can to get a nice good finish. Pretty happy with the way this turned out. It was a nice, quick and fun build.